Docking Pad Installation Guide. Take a 6.5mm drill bit and mark 50mm length on it as a depth reference. For using on chair, mark your wall at 800mm vertically and mark the horizontal in center of your wall, or adjust as you prefer. For bed area, mark 860mm horizontally and 460mm vertically as shown. Use a level tool to check that your pad is aligned correctly. Mark 4 hole positions on the wall according to these measurements. Drill the holes, insert the wall plugs, tighten the screws. That's it. Your pads are securely installed.